Hello dear students. Today the topic of our lesson is active and passive voice. The tense is a present and definite tense or simple present tense. Learning objectives of today's lesson. To enable the students to know the form of passive voice construction, to use the rules of passive voice correctly, to convert a sentence from active voice to passive voice and vice versa, and to write sentences in the passive voice in simple present tense. Now I am going to tell you how to change an active voice sentence into passive voice. Some basic rules of active voice and passive voice. The subject is replaced with the object and the object with the subject. A helping verb according to the tense is always used before the third form of the verb. The main verb is converted into past participle or the third form of the verb. We use the preposition by if needed. Only the sentences with transitive verbs can be converted into passive voice. But before moving towards passive voice, I am going to clarify the meaning of transitive and intransitive verbs. The first one is transitive verb. A transitive verb is a verb which takes an object or objects. For example, he ate an apple. Here in this sentence we have only one object, that is apple. She gave him a book. In this sentence we have two objects, him and a book. Whenever there are two objects in a sentence, one would be direct object and the other would be an indirect object. Here in this sentence, she gave him a book. In this sentence, him is an indirect object and a book, this is a direct object. Intransitive verb. It is a verb which does not take any object. For example, he walks slowly. She works hard. In the first one, walks is an intransitive verb and slowly is an adverb. So there is no object in this sentence. In the same way, she works hard. In this sentence, hard is an adverb and works is an intransitive verb. Now I am going to give you a list of pronouns, the subjective pronouns and the objective pronouns. I is changed into by me. You is changed into by you. She is changed into by her. They is changed into by them. We is changed into by us. He is changed into by him. It is changed into by it. Who is changed into by whom. Now we should talk specifically about present and definite tense. Active sentences in the simple present tense have the following structure. Subject plus first form of verb plus object. And in passive voice sentences in the same tense have the following structure. Object of the active voice sentence plus is, are, am plus past participle plus by plus subject of the active voice sentence. Now I am going to change positive sentences of present and definite tense into passive voice. Now active voice sentence, he writes a letter, so its passive would be a letter is written by him. The next sentence is, they play football. Football is played by them. She sings a song is sung by her. He loves his friends very much. His friends are loved very much by him. In negative sentences, the structure for active form would be subject plus do or does plus first form of verb plus object. And in passive form, the structure would be object of the active sentence plus is, are, am, plus not, plus past participle, plus by, and subject of the active sentence. The first sentence is, he does not write a letter. Its passive will be, a letter is not written by him. The second sentence is, nobody discourages him from pursuing his path. Its passive will be, he is not discouraged from pursuing his path by anybody. The third one is, you do not listen to me. The passive voice will be, I am not listened to by you. The next sentence is, she does not write a story. Passive voice, a story is not written by her. Changing interrogative sentences into passive voice. Active sentences in the simple present tense have the following structure: do, does, plus subject, plus first form of verb, plus object and question mark. Passive voice sentences in the same tense have the following structure: is, are, am, plus object of the active sentence, plus past participle, plus by, plus subject of the active sentence, and question mark is put at the end. If the active sentence begins with who or whose, the passive sentence will begin with by whom or by whose. If the active sentence begins with whom, the passive voice sentence will begin with who. Examples of interrogative sentences. 1. Does he break the window? Passive voice, is the window broken by him? 2. Does Alice invite you? Passive voice, are you invited by Alice? 3. Who kills the snake? Passive voice, by whom is the snake killed? Next sentence is, why does he punish you? Passive voice, why are you punished by him? The last sentence, does anyone steal your purse? Passive voice, is your purse stolen by anyone?